go, make we give am the power, oh. If he hand over power, oh, for sake and collapse. If he hand over power, oh, pass along for God before. And the non-member who say you for them, and for member who say you want the boots. And the other come back, oh, make we give am the power, oh. If he hand over power, oh, for sake and collapse. If he hand over power, oh, pass along for God before.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening all around the world. My name is Maurice Safa, popularly known as Tolu Gundo Saga. Breaking news. Intelligence reports from me State House sniffer don't tell me for say over the past weekend a very high-level meeting been take place between King Nkrumah and in selected flag bearer Samura Kamara, na a very secret location. Now they, according to the State House sniffer, they don't agree, and King Nkrumah don't pass an order for say make APC then go on an all-out attack by SLPP now all the big places na the southeast. Now all the big towns then na the southeast. That na been the information we I get from the State House sniffer regarding a meeting with Nkrumah and Samura and others then be hold this past weekend. They say the president don't declare for say make APC then go all out for attack so that then go provoke violence. Whichever way it happens, wherever it happens, but make them concentrate mostly na the southeast, because na the probability there for say SLPP they go respond. In that way, King Nkrumah go take over the country and continue for rule. That na the latest information we I don't get regarding King Nkrumah in all-out desire for making remain in power. As a matter of fact, they say if this not happen, if they're not able to provoke violence in the southeast, na election day they intend for doing. Election day, King Nkrumah and the APC thugs, they will go around to the various polling stations, mostly in the southeast, for make them provoke violence. The intelligence say that the last ditch effort this way Nkrumah they make for make sure for say SLPP go respond to violence and then he go take over the country by virtue of martial law or state of emergency. So the people them, SLPP people them, would I be very, very careful, make una not respond to this man here, so to the APC, the thugs, then provocations, because not that King Nkrumah want so that he go stay in power. This is a very high level intelligence report where I don't get, and you know, because of course of my sources where they on the ground, especially inside State House and around Samura Kamara. So that the thing is where they talk about APC. the violence nature. Now the thing is with people and for understand about APC and King Kurums. King Kurums want and they all out for keep this power yaso. And if violence not erupt before election day, King Kurums in agreement with the thugs is that on election day, they go find a way by which they provoke election or even try for thief the election just so that SLPP go respond and then they go take over the country. So one of the latest news that they bring to una in terms of waiting me intelligence report don't bring to me. Again, me fellow SLPP people and all APC people we want for vote SLPP. Una let we vote. We are not afraid because we all know now for say that this Kuruma want for do. Kuruma want for stay in power by all means necessary. This man there so he ready for do anything possible for bring this country here so down. He want and he not mind for bring another war na Salone just like how it be happen under Momo, another APC government. So we people them, we all know now for say President Kuruma, King Kurums, he not get the interest of the country at all. He not care whether war come na the country. He not care what it happen for all the provocations, but he done earmark some thugs them we get for provoke SLPP so that SLPP go respond. And not just SLPP, by the way. You know, all the other party them. We don't see, I think say they don't attack even ADP people them recently. You say, and this stand to reason from the intelligence report for say Kuruma and the thugs they intend for provoke that the Southeast because look Bo, on the 27th, they attack Bo. On the 26th, they attack Kenema self. They attack Kenema. Now imagine this. This now the main SLPP areas where APC then they get the guts for Kande and attack. APC they attack Nabo. What did they go expect for come out of that? APC Nabo they feel to say they go win any kind of a violent confrontation? No. But then they do them for making Kurums take over the country. Now the strategy that they don't decide. They don't attack Bo. Actually they attack Kenema on the 26th. And then they attacked Bo yesterday on the 27th. Now, if we are not careful, and they talk about SLPP people and every Salone man, we want peace for Salone. This man here so, in power-hungry business, King Kurums, he go put this country here into war. Because waiting they happen, if you take over the country, it will prevent the elections for take place, and it's very possible for say the rest of the country not go stand for him, and not just in Southeast. All the other areas, now the North, we don't want King Kurums anymore. All the areas that the North, where King Kurums don't snatch the APC party power from them. All the other areas where King Kurums don't hijack the APC party from them and not say themselves go grab. against King Kurom. And wetin dey happen? Salome, they go back to war. Because when there is corruption, when there is attack, when there is violence all around the country, I don't think say King Kurom in police or in soldiers, they go able to bring down everything, for bring down the people. It is not easy to control angry people. But King Kurom's not care. King Kurom's want for continue for they in power. All the money where you don't take, is not enough. All the money where you don't give to people them, in picking them, in sisters, in brothers, is not enough for her. He still want for continue in power at all, by all means necessary. And he not care whether Salome people then die. He not care whether violence erupt around the country. He not care whether properties then destroy. He not care at all, as long as King Kurom don't stay in power. So now the intelligence information that I don't bring to una is very, very true, at least from my own sources at the State House, where they call me State House sniffer. So the people them, no matter what, one man and in talks, they not for change una mind for go vote for SLPP. They not for make una afraid, because they not plenty you. They not plenty, and not for say if una stand up to them talks them, even the police not go able to handle people there. But Kuroma not care. Kuroma not care. They feel to say when they bring in around a few of them talks them, then they scare people them, and then people they not go vote, or people they go run away even when they go for try for vote, or some people them they go afraid say, oh, if we not vote for APC, SLPP no they can no SLPP they can power by God in means, by God power, by God in power. SLPP go garner power, because now that the people they want. Madabio will be with next president, and we are not afraid. We not go vote. We not get for vote. Otherwise, Kuroms they try for remain in power. APC go try for triple. They're not all the good APC, because I know say all the good APC they don't decide now for say they go vote for SLPP. So my brothers and sisters, fathers and mothers, grandmothers, grandparents, do ya would have take una country. We will not allow one dictator for control that country day. We will not allow Kuroma for rule forever. Kuroma don't take APC, the rank and file of APC, that the ordinary people they hand. Kuroma want to take that country now away from everybody else. Every opposition party, every non-APC party would have to vote for SLPP, because SLPP get the chance now for rule. If the parties, they all scatter the votes them, it go difficult. It go difficult. We go want the 60% or more, so that no rerun no go happen. Now that we get for do, in order to prevent APC from coming back to power. And my brothers and sisters them, do ya? This now in our country. We will not make King Kurom and a few of his stooges take the country away from una. Una vote for SLPP. SLPP go bring peace. SLPP go bring education. SLPP go bring development. SLPP go bring fairness. SLPP go stop corruption. Madabio, they can rule this country in the interest of the people. Do ya? Would all vote for Madabio? Would all vote for SLPP? Make SLPP get 60%, not just the 55%, but 60% for show King Kurom for say people power na the real power. Kuruma in power, na just a delegated power. Na the people then get the power. Enough for continue for rule when people they don't want for make you rule. So, the people them, una do ya, vote for SLPP and una not fall for Kuruma in violent tactics we he don't plan. Because this man here don't plan for stay in the power by all means necessary. And like how I say, he want for provoke violence all side. He not care whether people then die. He not care whether people then things then they owes or everything damage. The man not care at all for the lives of Salone people then. All he want now for stay in the power. Do ya? Would kick him out of power. Would kick APC out of power, at least the bad APC. And they talk say the bad APC, the good APC then they. And the good APC then don't decide for say they go vote for SLPP. So be people do ya? Make all man vote for SLPP, no reruns at all. Thank you.
And the no follow that name now, if we remember who said we come out, and we don't come back, if we give them the power, if the hand over power, for sake of